Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and here I am about to finish off this job. Everything's turned out really well. There was quite a few stains on this carpet. If you go back to the previous video, you'll see that I dealt with a diarrhea stain over here, and a big stain was right here, but was I believe, I don't know if it was vomit or upchuck or what exactly. Another great big one up at the top of the steps. There's a couple over here. And some nasty ones over here as well. Anyway, all the stains appear to have come out, no problem at all, and I show and explain how I dealt with those in the previous video. So here we're going to do the final step, which is the grooming, which I will be using the Hoover Hushtone. Excellent vacuum. I'll be putting it on the lower setting, which is what I normally do when I'm post vacuuming. And gives it a nice finished look. Accelerates the drying a little bit. It's already close to dry. I did a two-step on here, and then I did a B side of the Ironman pad, and just to make sure it was because I'm vacuuming it pretty quick after cleaning, because it is a pretty small job. And so I did an extra dry pass with the B side of the Ironman pad, and it's almost dry, just slightly damp, which is exactly what I want. So anyway, let's give it a post groom and vacuuming, and come along with me for a ride. Thank you. Okay. I take my time normally when I do the grooming. I'm constantly scanning the carpet as I do so, just in case I might have, there might still be something visible on the carpet. That's not usually, I don't usually find anything, but occasionally I do. But it lifts up the pile. As you can see, it's looking really nice. I mean, the fiber pad was very effective at lifting the pile of this carpet anyway, but with this final step, it just gives it such a nice finish, nice velvety finish almost. Even though the carpet is worn, and now it looks really good. I already pre-vacuumed the carpet, of course, which is the proper way to carpet cleaning, and I never rely on my customers to do that. That's my job. If they want to do that, that's fine, but I'm still going to do it. I can still see a bit of a shadow there, but I did spray that, so that's a bit damper right there. I did pre-treat that with the suspend, so that'll be a bit damper right there, in case you're wondering. Carpet looks amazing. Looks like a new carpet. Well, other than the wear. So I already, obviously I put the bed frame down, and I groomed underneath here already. Still a little bit damper right around that vent cover, because I did pre-treat that pretty heavy. So it won't look, it'll never look perfect there, but it looks dramatically better than it did. Remember, we're talking a 30-year-old carpet here, so we're definitely not making a new one out of this. Now these folks are expecting a baby, so I think that's probably one of the reasons why they wanted to get the carpet cleaned and sanitized, because, well, that's one of the things that happens when I clean a carpet is the stabilized CO2 is a soft surface sanitizer. It'll kill every germ, bacteria, and virus on contact on the carpet fiber, as long as you're getting enough of the product, of the CO2 to contact whatever is there. It is a very effective sanitizer, and is a hospital grade disinfectant actually. It's also you can spray it or wipe it onto a countertop where you're preparing food and let it dry, and you don't have to rinse it off. It's a no rinse food prep sanitizer, so you can use it there and don't have to be concerned about whether or not you're leaving a residue that's in any way harmful. It does not do that, which is pretty amazing. This carpet is looking phenomenal. They're going to be astonished when they see this, because this looks like a new carpet. Well, not just the stains are gone, but it's you probably can't quite tell in the video here, but this carpet is really popping. That's the thing about these old nylons, they just clean up so fantastic. Again, there was a very obvious stain right where I'm at now, at 100% gone. I can still slightly see where there's a little discoloration there, right where the diarrhea was. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some peroxide on there. I mean, they may have tried something on here before I got here, I have no idea. But it was a very obvious stain before. So I'm just going to work that in a little bit with the roamer. And that discoloration should just fade away over the next couple of hours. Okay, I guess I'm done. So I'll let you go, and thank you for watching, and have a good day.